There you go.
Alright, first thing we're going to do, take your polisher, pad, just do a couple little squirts, maybe. Oop. Probably put too much, don't know. Mind you, my pad is already wet, ready to go.
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Let's wipe it down. I said, I don't know if this is going to be any good, or if I'm even doing it right. Slightly less hazy. What do you think?
So, in comparison,
The sun is right on it too.
I was gonna say, stand in front of it in the shade, I guess. Like, yeah. Okay. I think it looks better in comparison to this one. Not by much, but it is less cloudy and less yellowy.
I'm gonna give it one more pass. See if it does any justice. I don't know. Try it. More dots. Little dots.
Get those dots on there, boy.
Not them dots, boy. It's a little hazy right here, but it's also the sun right on it. What do you think, buddy? Sun out of it, it's alright. Opinions? Here, I'll block it. You want to get a close-up zoom. These are
I can see where you need to get, like, in
right
this
there.
area. Yeah, in that area. Other than that, it looks
That,
damn good.
Those are stock headlights, came with the vehicle. This is a 2001, so there's some spidering for sure. Honestly, it really took away a lot of that yellowing. I'm gonna try to get this right here a little bit more.
I would try and give a couple. I would give a couple more rolls of tape up in here, and I would try and get it like this half of the headlight, just a good pass. This is Kentucky Fried Turbos, not Kentucky
This is your
Fried
backyard.
Headlights.
Washing, drying, headlight restoration.
Headlight restoration, saveration on your old Subaru.
Hello, little fella. What is that? Russ?
It's a leaf.
Leaf? Yeah, okay. It's not great, but, you know, I'm going to replace these anyways. I just wanted something temporary.
So what's the technique you're doing right now?
So I'm doing this just to spread out this polish. I'm going to turn it on a low setting just to spread it out. Otherwise it'll get all over the place. We don't want that mess.
We learned our lesson.
Honestly.
I hate to agree with you, but I think
that's as best as it's gonna get. It looks a little wacky through here, but
I don't think it's you. I think it's the way the housing's made.
it could be.
Honestly, I think it's the way the housing's made.
But you know, it looks considerably better.
It looks really good compared to the
temporary
other.
Fix, you know.
It looks way better.
And the shadow is good. Now, this is no sanding. This is just.
I'm gonna say this is just
on a polisher. So let's get the other side. The car's already been washed.
thus the tape.
Not well, but a little bit. Do the same thing on this side. Spread it out. That sink. Low speed setting. We have it all spread out. Kick it up to probably about a 4, give or take, maybe a little bit more. Do it. Let's wipe it back off. Might need to get the corner a little bit more, but overall, all right. I'll get the corner. Opinions?
I think that side did better than the other side.
I think so too. This is my second time ever doing it, so.
Did you change how you went about it the first time?
Really?
Did you
give
add
that side another pass, but
did you give it like more pressure or anything?
nothing really changed. I just did the same old, same old.
Look at you all the way up there.
All the way up. Well, all in all, that's not bad. I mean, this is what, 20 bucks, and I only used a little tiny bit of it. So, could definitely do another pass. Either way.
I think it did great.
I think that side did good.
That side did a lot better than this side.
Yeah.
The side that you're seeing now compared to this side.
Yeah, that side's
Granted, the sunlight's making that one look a lot worse than what it is. That one, it just came through a lot better.
You could probably do a close-up on these, though. You could see it. It's definitely not perfect. These headlights are super scratched up.
I mean, they still look pretty damn good. These are factory headlights?
Yep. Factory.
Ooh.
20-year-old headlights.
In the shade it looks good. In the sunlight it looks rough.
Yeah. But
looks great.
not bad.
Granted, it doesn't look as clear as
Right.
this, but still looks good.
That's alright. I might try to hit this corner a little bit better. I just feel like I'm trying to get on my paint.
So you're giving that one another pass just to try and
One
make it...
more pass, because like I said, this is my first time doing this. I don't really know what's right from wrong. We're just testing it out. Just be not as good as shape as the other side in general. But let's see.
No, it came better.
Better.
It does. It really does look better now.
Hey, it works. For now.
For now.
For now,
if you're looking for a quick and greasy way to get by with your headlights,
try it.
give this stuff
Give
a
it
try.
a try. See if you like it.
Old Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration Kit. Is that right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's right.
Well, not bad.
No, really, it's all right. Not too bad.
Now you can do this in your driveway with, grab one of those little applicator pads. So, if you don't have a DA or a fancy polisher like my buddy has, you can use a little applicator pad. It takes longer because you got to sit there and buff it in, you know. But you can get the same effect, just takes longer. These are like, what, $1 for 4 at
nothing
Walmart?
special. I'm just gonna clean this off. This is McGuire's ceramic detailer. It does all right. I mean, as a quick detailer, for the price, yeah. You can't really beat it.
For the price that it is.
All right. We'll take some of this tape off.
You want all of it off?
Yeah.
Your paint's super soft. It's like you detail your car a lot.
For a while.
You want me to take this side off too?
Yeah.
I feel like you're missing some clips, homie.
Yeah.
Probably. Probably.
This car was also hit twice in the same parking lot.
People are attracted to hitting Subarus.
It's true.
I owned mine for a week, and a guy backed into it. And I bought mine since.
It works. For now.
All of this can be done at your driveway by yourself, because we're not doing it for you.